Hey guys, Stephen Alba here. Thanks so much for joining us in this video course about finding financial freedom by teaching things you already know through info products. Now, believe it or not, you've got a lot of things up here that can actually help a lot of people or profoundly change their lives even. And you can do it by creating info products or digital products. Right now, believe it or not, there's a revolution all over the world where people just like you and me, normal folks, are making info products, selling them online, augmenting their income, replacing their income, or even building six-figure businesses just by teaching people things they already know and that they're willing to pay for. Now, this could be anything from becoming a better chess player to improving your golf swing, or even things like do-it-yourself home improvement projects. So to help you figure out how you can take advantage of this trend, I've teamed up with another online marketer who's going to teach you exactly how to create and sell your own info products. Together, we're going to teach you in the next few lessons how to brainstorm and find ideas for what you can teach and create info products with, how to actually get your online course or digital product up and running and available online, and finally, how to find your audience, drive traffic, and ultimately monetize that traffic so you can start making money, augmenting or even replacing your income by teaching the things that you're passionate about. So, thanks again for being here, and without further ado, let's move on to the next video.